Well, they're a certain size. It's wider in one spot than the other. Yes, yes. The way we cut them here. One sets that side of the spar, and that one sets the other. Now we need the battery box. Hold on, I'll get that. Knock it back together here. See, it's one board wider than the other two. Keeps it from going very far back and forth. Now this battery. Picky, 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 pick, pick, pick.
Do you not want it underneath?
Pick, 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 pick. All right, the battery is full up. Let me look. Positive, yep. I never thought about the post orientation. Positive on this side where it needs to be, so yep. You know what these are? You're not looking through that. I don't even know if you're looking at what we're looking at.
I forgot you put it back on.
We need to get the trolling motor and stuff mounted before we connect this. We'll be right back. These are looking a little nasty. I'm going to hit that with some WD-40. Got a little WD sprayed on those. Limbered them right up. That'll add a little protecting. So, and I even managed to get it all over the motor down there. It's alright, that'll attract catfish. Before anybody says anything, no, I don't like using WD-40 as a fish attractant. It just ain't my thing. Okay, got the trolling motor in place. Let's strap this puppy down here where it's going to be. Do you know how much lighter that thing is? Holy cow. Last one's filled this box up. You can look down in there and see the difference, and you can imagine the weight difference. Okay, now let's reassemble this thing to where it locks down like it's supposed to. Now there. Now she's locked down.
Yay.
Strapped down. But that strap used to go across just the middle of those big batteries. Like I said, those are fine if you run that way and everything. We do not operate that mode. I should have done this years ago. You can let that go for a minute, dear. That all the hot ones. Then the ground. Yep. Okay. Seems like I'm missing one. No, a wire. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I guess not. It just seemed like it. Get a boat, they said. It'll be fun, they said. We'll be back. We just done a little bit of a light check. They're working. She went yay up here. I don't know what the deal is with that. That's the one we're going, my friend and I are going to hunt down an LED replacement for. There's a groove there that goes in. Maybe.
There is.
Hang on. Okay, that's as far as it goes. We're going to have to take a screw out for it to go down. See, it's stopping on that screw head.
Yeah.
But look, stop, look.
Yay!
We'll be back. And there it is. It's on. Can't see it against that white background, but it's on.
That's a whole lot better.
That is, grab the old one. Let's do a size comparison here. Much better, up out of my face. It's going to go about that level. So
Much
there's
better.
a height difference. Going to do a trolling motor test now. Reverse. Good job, everything works. Endura, 40-pound thrust. Gives a scale there on what speed, 12 hours, and on down. So, there it is. And here's the depth we run at, just clear the bottom with the prop. Transducer for the Hummingbird, which I didn't bring today. Motor. A lot of people say this should be even with the water level, thereabouts. It's not, and I'm not doing a jack plate. It does us just fine. There it is. Now help her finish getting moved in. Spare tire, as soon as I find the U-bolt to match that hole pattern in any combination. We're going to mount that up here. Something I've put off for 9 years now. We're going to mount it up here. Anchor. What you got, dear?
Moving them out of the way so I can put the toad in there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we got the tool and emergency equipment tote.
Emergency equipment.
Toilet paper and paper towels. Yeah, there'll be some other things going there also. But
We don't need that one in there?
put it in there, you never know. If we manage to tear that one off in a tree, no, they go up there, dear, remember?
Oh, yeah.
See, I'm not sure about that one. Okay. If we manage to tear one off with a tree, God forbid. But we've done dumber things.
Yes, we have.
We still got a backup.
Is that it for this part?
Let's look. Let us look. It appears to be. There's the solar charger. That'll come into play here after a bit. Yeah, that's it. I'll get the fire extinguisher remounted. Batteries in, everything's connected. Fire extinguisher, good to go. Anchors, emergency equipment and tools and stuff. Toilet paper and paper towels. Ropes, anchors, spare tire. Net. Bilge pump. We run an we're going to go ahead and take them batteries out. Those things will probably get hot and explode on us. Bilge pump goes under there. Motors. Fuel line is clamped. Fuel line is connected. Carburetor is on. Everything is connected. Set at the start position. So we'll go ahead and cover this bad boy up. Let me get this aerodynamic hood on there.
Bit colder than we got.
Probably mine's been sitting there on that hot seat, but look at that angle.
Yes,
The wind just goes whoosh right over it, and we go faster.
Yes, dear.
That's what keeps the breeze blowing across you up front up there. Okay, we got our lights here. If you'll point down both of them, can you, or got both of them in the screen? All right. Yeah, we got an empty battery. We've been going through some battery. I tested these the other day in the house. Didn't video, but we're going to test them. I know they work, but give a sense of the brightness. There we go.
Super bright.
Good and bright. That's what we want. Now we'll walk up here real
Super
quick
bright.
before this battery goes dead. What we're going to do is mount here above, so you can turn either angle we need to turn or straight ahead. But there's a plan, as we're going to mount them here behind this nav light on this heavy bracket. But there's where they're going to be.
Cool.
That suit you?
Absolutely.
But yeah, we another battery change. But anyway, we're going to mount those up here. We'll do away with the rope, of course. Mount those lights up here, be able to angle them around or straight ahead, wherever we want. Toolbox is back in order. Yep. So, what a mess. Little bypass route here. Sign says stop. There's the dam. Well, it's ready. All we gotta do is get in and go. Leave that where the pressure will build off. Relieve. I forgot something. This is a rigging at best. I've got an axle cap leak in there. Want to wall her off. You can't get replacements that fit just right anymore. Chinesium. The other side, I took some Teflon plumber's tape and lined it, and that sealed it and locked it in. I forgot my my Teflon tape this time. Okay, dear, we are here. It's tucked back in. It's ready to go. All we got to do is come get it and we leave. Solar charger. Good green light. Connected. Everything's good. Lights are off. Let's get this puppy covered and go get cooled off and get something to eat. We're starving, and so is little Miss Abby. Okay, we're going to get this new battery on charging pretty quick. Lost my black cap there. It come with a bag of nuts, sack of nuts. I just done that backwards, didn't I? I need to connect the hot first, then the ground. You know what? I don't care. Anyway, come with a sack of nuts. So I had a sack of nuts that come up missing. I lost my nut sack. And that's nothing new. Don't surprise me. Because, you know, I've been married over 40 years. So we had to go look for my sack of nuts. So we're out there in the yards and the sidewalk and everywhere looking for that bag of nuts. And finally found them. Laying where they dropped.